Find the exact value of the sine of the inverse tangent of negative square root 3 over 3. So we can treat the inverse tangent of negative square root 3 over 3 as the theta. So we need to figure out that one first. So negative square root 3 over 3 is in the domain of inverse tangent, which is negative infinity to positive infinity. So basically any point is in that. And now a point on the unit circle needs to be found that yields the tangent of negative square root 3 over 3. And it also needs to be in quadrant 1 or 4 to stay in the correct range. Point square root 3 over 2, comma negative 1/2 work. And this is y. Tangent is y over x, and y over x yields negative square root 3 over 3 because these denominators cancel, and then you can't have this in the denominator, so we have to multiply both sides by the denominator to get negative square root 3 over 3. And then negative pi over 6 is the answer to stay in this range of tangent, and this is because 11 pi over 6 is the answer at this particular point where we found yields the right answer to tangent, but we need to stay in the range, which is pi over 2 to negative pi over 2, and 11 pi over 6 is not in that range, so we need to make it in that range. So we know that this right here is pi over 6, and we know that this is negative pi over 6. So the answer is negative pi over 6. And then now we just need to plug the negative pi over 6 into the sine, or into the theta of what we have to find for sine. So sine of negative pi over 6, we need to find the y value at that point. So the y value at that point is negative 1/2, because this is x and this is y, and that's what the definition of sine is on the unit circle at a particular point. So the answer to this problem is negative 1/2.